Hello and welcome to another video. This is just going to be a short, quick little makeover. We're going to be unboxing and testing the Physicians Formula Strawberry Blush and Coffee Bronzer. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm just going to prep my face with the Clinique Moisturizer on my foundation brush. And then jump right into foundation. I'm not really gonna do very much for the eyes today. Just a simple makeover. Alright, now I just mixed some of the Juvia's Place foundation and the Clinique moisturizer. And I'm just going to apply that. Now I'm just blending that out with my foundation brush. Alright, now it's time to set that. I'm using the Neutrogena pressed powder. Okay, time for bronzer. Using the new Coffee Bronzer. That's the packaging. Ooh, pretty. It's a little too bright, but it's this like soft baby pink color. The coffee on it. And then it's got like a little latte. Oh, it doesn't need a bit more. It's got like a little latte in there. It smells good. I don't know if it smells like coffee really, but it smells good. And there's one of these, which I don't really know why they put those. They are pretty much useless, but ooh, coming out pretty good. Oh, that's pretty. It's definitely more warm toned than my other bronzer, which I like. My other bronzer is a little bit too much cool tone. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. And it smells delicious. It doesn't really smell like a coffee, especially strong coffee, but it smells sweet. It smells good, so whatever. So that's the bronzer all blended out. It's definitely really, it's pretty subtle. It's easy to blend and easy to build. So definitely like that. Now on to the blush. Okay, now time for the blush. Strawberry Jam blush, which I'm most excited for because I love me some blush. A lot of it. Oh my gosh, and it does smell good. Oh, I did not mean to do that. It does smell good and it does smell like strawberries. That was so stupid. I don't know why that guy did that. I have like a strawberry on my nose. Nice. I mean, I'm gonna be putting the blush on there anyway, but I didn't really want a red dot there. Can't even tell. Okay, hold on a sec. Anyhow, So there's the blush, and it's got beautiful little strawberries in there. It's kind of glittery. Smells wonderful. Oh, yeah. Everybody says how the strawberries disappear right away, and they definitely do. But it doesn't really hurt my feelings. I don't care. I'm gonna use it, you know. I didn't get it to collect it. I got it to use it, so. Oh yeah, it's very pretty. It's definitely like a darker blush, which I love. I love a dark red blush, so works for me. And it's got a little shimmer. Yep, 10 out of 10. It's a little hard to blend, which it could have been how I put it on, but we'll get it blended out, and it looks pretty. Yeah, I think that like it'll honestly look better. That's crazy. It'll look kind of better once the strawberries are gone because it won't be so splotchy. It'll be like one shade, but it's okay. The good news is my makeup will smell wonderful. Coffee and strawberries. We're gonna have all of the good scents. I'm gonna continue to blend that out, and then I will be back. Alright, so there's the blush all blended out. Then I'm going to use the Blossom Glow Wet n Wild highlighter. Very pretty. Now for the other side. Okay, it's time for lips and eyebrows. This blush is a lot, I don't know if it's the lighting, the camera, it's a lot darker in person. But the camera picks it up kind of, whoops, lighter. Anywho, I'm just running the spoolie through my eyebrows. I'm not filling them in or putting any gel in them. I actually never fill my own in because look how thick they naturally are. They don't really need help. But I do sometimes put gel in them just to hold them in place. But they will be okay. So that is it for the eyebrows. And then I'm using the little Shrek X Revolution red lip gloss that was in one of my last videos. And then one of these gorgeous little throwaway applicators. It has pink glitter in it. They're so pretty. I usually just get the ugly ones because you're throwing them away anyways. It doesn't matter what they look like. But I always see these pretty ones and they're literally like the same price or cheaper. So I was like, why not get the pretty ones? So here we are. And to lighten that up a little bit, I'm going to be using this. It's Revlon called, wait, it's upside down. It's called The Gloss. It's in the shade Pinkissimo. This is my own personal one that I do not use for clients, so I'm not using an applicator. Just want to lighten that up a little bit because it was kind of on the deeper side. It's a little lighter now. Pretty. Okay, now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the Willy Wonka X Revolution eyeliner. This is also a personal product. This is not, I do not use this on clients, so do not worry. I just threw on some of the L'Oreal Mascara Primer. And now it's time for the last step, which is the L'Oreal Mascara. Everybody always asks me what mascara I use. L'Oreal, I think I used to use the Tarte one like years and years and years and years and years ago. That was probably the most expensive one I've ever used. It doesn't matter. I just have natural long lashes. I also just wear way too much mascara. And also wear fake lashes sometimes, so it's really just depends. It's all fake anyhow, so whatever. I just wanted to do that, put that down so you can actually see when I bend down to put my mascara on. But I guess I didn't need it down that far. Let's see. That's good. I also go behind the lashes like this to really coat them instead of just getting the front. Same with the bottom, I go underneath them as well. I also, yeah, like I said, I just put on a bunch of coats too. Curling them helps as well. I actually just started using the lash curler more recently, so whatever you gotta do to make them look full and how you want, do it. And if you don't have real ones, if you don't have long real ones and you want long ones, get the fake ones. Do what the frick you want to do. Whatever you gotta do. To live the life you want to live, do it. Whoops. Somewhere in the next town over. And then a little tip, I have to get the mascara off of this since I just ran it through my eyelashes, but a little tip for getting mascara off your skin, just use a spoolie. dry, or even if it's not dry. Sometimes if it's bad, if you get a lot, you kind of have to just use a Q-tip or something, like actually get it off. And then just use your foundation brush back over top of where it looks odd. But that's about it. I'm gonna put a few more coats on, because if you know me, you know this is not enough. For some people it is, for me it's not. I'm gonna keep putting coats of mascara on until I'm happy. I'm gonna put some more on each eye, and I'll be back. Okay, that is the finished look. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe for what's to come. Bye bye.